Yesterday I showed you guys the St. James branch, the St. James location of the new Popeyes and Burger King that's being constructed, and today I'm going to show you the Barnett Street location. Right now we are at Clock, and we are going to walk down this section. So this is Barnett Street. We just passed Clock location. And right here we see Bevan Street going down to the markets. That street takes you down to Charles Gordon Market.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Also leave a comment, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you very much.
And it's right beside Drugs Mart Pharmacy and in front of Consumer Meat Plus. This is the new location. Phoenix, say hi.
If you haven't seen the St. James location yet, you can click on this video.